Hello, welcome back team. Welcome back to Andian Motorsport. And today, or this episode, this installation, is a bit of a strange one. It's about an old faithful air ratchet, the Blue Point at700e high torque thing. Now, my favourite saying is, you don't need it every day, but when you need it, you need it. And I was doing the clutch on the man van, and I thought this is the perfect job for this baby. So I went and grabbed it. It doesn't live in my van because, to be honest, I don't need it. I'd rather have a smaller one that's higher speed rather than this that sort of rotates at Earth's orbit, but it will just keep rotating. It's a 3/8 drive, and the trigger, the triggery job is stuck down. Now you think, oh, it's easy, just get some pliers, lift it up, and it comes up. Yeah, great. But when you connect air to it, this thing runs permanently, no matter whether it's off, on, whatever. So we're going to have a little pull apart today, and I've got no idea what I'm doing with this, but come on, tripod. We're going to have a go. I don't know what size this is, but it's bigger than 32. And it seems to be conventional thread, anti-clockwise. I'm not got a clue if I'm starting in the right point. I might not be. There might be a dirty great big spring under here, and it goes doing and disappears. But then again, there might not be. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Gear reduction. So your motor torque goes into these turns and gives it. I don't need to touch that bit. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like maybe there was once upon a time a little seal that was in there. Instead, it's just Loctite now. So let's have a look. Yeah, lots of Loctite and that. Shimmy job and a ball bearing. Can't believe that, actually seeing a ball bearing from I say way back when. Now a normal person would go and get a spanner, but because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing, I'm just going to use these. See if it doesn't come undone. Okay. Does this? Oh, it does. Oh, result. Ooh. Ooh. Look, in there. I think this needs a rebuild kit. Maybe. Right, now, what's down in there? You can't see, I can't see. I think this back end needs to come off. So I'm going to undo that and then impact that off. And crack the casing in the meantime, of course, because you know. Yeah, spanner. Ooh. Little mesh. And I'm not sure if that's years of grit and dirt and horribleness, or that was a there's no point in showing it to you if I can't even see down there. I wonder what that does. I wonder if that's how they load the... Oh, they're opposite each other. Screwdriver. Plastic screw. Ah, there we go, here we go. So you didn't need to take all this apart. Ah. I don't think that lump of plastic's meant to be in there. I'll grab my torch. Right, selection. Right down in there is busted up stuff. Somewhere in there. Okay. Let's see if we can extract. That's the actual pushy pin bit, and I think that pushes on a plastic. Is it plastic? Don't know, I can dig my fingernail into it. Oh yeah. That's failed. Boggery. That's the air valve. So after taking all the top off and everything and the motor out, we didn't need to. We just needed to undo a little screw. So, oh yeah, you can't see any of that, sorry. The little plastic, I can only assume that when you push that, it goes down, and what's left of this, well, yeah, brittle, that green line used to be where it's seated, and the spring was there to push it back the other way. So now we know that. Yeah, it's falling apart. Bugger. Bugger. Oh, I'm going to get so much abuse off the Snap-on man when I ask him for a rebuild kit, because earlier on this year, or last year, about this time last year, sorry, camera's wandering, I said to him, you know, the new, whatever it is, FAR ratchet, air ratchet, I said, like, let's have a go at that, see what it's like. I say new, it's a couple of years old. Let's have a go, see what it's like. Well, it's a similar size to this, all built up, slightly slimmer, you know, more streamlined. And I said to him, look, if it's got more torque, because he was banging on about how much torque this thing had, I said, if it's got more torque than this bit that's now in bits, I said, I'll have it. So we did an experiment. We got two nuts, put them on bolts in the vise, and I tightened one up with this and tightened one up with the FAR, and then we put them both on reverse and we swapped over. So the one I tightened up with this, the Blue Point one, I undid with the snap-on FIR, and the one that I did up with the FAR I undid with this. The FIR couldn't undo the one I'd done up with this, and this one just, there was no real effort in it undoing it. It just popped it straight off. So I said to him, there's your ratchet back, thanks, bye. And he walked off with his tail between his legs, which, you know, I don't do it just to annoy him or make him feel stupid, but, you know, sorry, at700e. Yeah, I might live to regret that one, because I know exactly what he's going to do. He's going to abuse me for that. Oh, remember when you said your ratchet was so much better? Oh God, yeah, I remember. Oh, do you want a rebuild kit? Yeah, they're not available. So I'm going to get my phone out and have a look, see if anything's available for this anymore, or if it's a bin job, which I will be sad if it is a bin job, because, you know, oh, it won't be. I'll just get a little air stopper machined up. This isn't going to go in the bin. It's too nice too. It does need a rebuild kit. I'm amazed at that. It's lovely. Machined absolutely lovely. Yeah. Okay. That's the teardown. Thank you very much for watching. There will be more of this coming soon, eventually, when I get there. But yeah, I'm now going to go drop him a text and say, I need one, and then I'm going to get abused. So when I get the abuse back off of him, I'll post it up in the next video. He's alright. It's friendly banter. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. Bit of a short video, but still like 20 minutes long. I'll see you all again next time, hopefully with a rebuild kit for my ratchet, because I quite like this one when I need it. Put that down on the floor. Check us out on Faceballs. See you all again soon. Ciao.